Hello, welcome to Workout Wednesday, week 31. This week we're going to be building a connected scatterplot with the PlotlyJS custom visual for Power BI. So first we're going to have our data imported, and we're going to import the PlotlyJS visual by Aquilon from AppSource and drag it onto our canvas. We'll enter our data into the fields well and edit from the top right of the visual. We'll start by adding a trace, which is scatter by default. Along the x-axis we'll place miles. Along the y-axis we'll place gas. Under the styling section we'll hit into traces, and we want to display points, lines and text. As we can see, the lines seem to be a little out of order, so under our structure we'll hit transforms. Under our original trace we can see that's the correct trace. We want to apply a transform, and we want to apply a sort transform. So this will control marker overlay or line connection order. So we want to sort, currently it's defaulted to sort by the order of miles. We want to sort by year. Now under our styling options we'll go back into traces. We want to change the colour of our points to a variable colour, and we want to colour by year. We can select a different colour palette if we wanted to. In this case I am going to select plasma, and I'm going to change the direction of the colour scale to reversed. I want to add a border width of 1, and then I want to change the colour of the line to a darker colour, change the shape of the line to a smooth line, and then I want to apply some text labels. Here I'm going to choose the year for text, and I'm going to choose a custom position, which will be determined by the side field. So the side field has indicators of top, middle, bottom, left and right, where to place the labels. I'm going to choose serif, and I'm going to reduce the font size to 10. I'm going to add some annotations, and I'm going to demonstrate just one annotation. You can see it's on the canvas here. I'm going to drag the position over, reposition, and I'm going to remove the arrowhead to go from show to hide. Then I am going to hit into save load, click save. I'm going to label the axes, save again. If that doesn't happen, we can also do that in the axes under styling options. So our X, Y. Save again, and then back to report. Now we can decorate the page. Remove the chart type tool. And done. Thanks for watching.